In today's video, I'm here to introduce you all to this shopping platform where you can actually buy stuff and then you can actually resell them and make good profit. Now, the good thing here is that once you register on this platform, you get this free package that you see here, which you can actually claim and then you can resell it. So let me just show you guys how to do this right now. So once you just register, you're going to find the registration link in the description box of this video and also in the pinned comment. So let me just get this for free. So you can see I want to go with just one. It's for free. And then once I click on this, just make sure you're looking at what I'm doing, right? And then the next thing for me to do is to go to warehouse, right? So once I come to the warehouse, I have to open this box. There's going to be an arrow pointing to everything I'm doing, just in case you guys don't understand what I'm doing, but just pay detailed attention. It's very simple for you guys to understand. Now we'll just wait for it. Okay, let me just click on stop. So once I click on stop, I'm gonna see the item that I've gotten, which is this item, a mini figurine, right? And then I go back to the warehouse. Now once this item land here, I have two options. It's either I request for it to be shipped to me wherever I am, or I want to resell it directly on the platform and then I get in return the value of it in Naira, right? Because I'm actually opening this account in Naira. So let's just hold on and let's see how this looks like. So it's still kind of like pending. So why it's pending? Because now you can see it's pending here, right? So let me just tap on resell. Now if I want to resell this, I just say okay, you can just read this through this and then I confirm the resell. Now once I confirm this resell, there are two options left. Now this is going to be resell, like this item that I bought, right? It will be sold to another person who wants to purchase it. That's how they do it, and then I get in return the value for this item. And then I can also click on this use speed card. Now if you don't have a speed card, you can't actually make do of this, but within 24 hours this amount that you see here is going to reflect directly in your own account, which you can actually withdraw. So let's just go back to the account, to the main interface right here. Now if you come here, you can see this daily check-in. Now this daily check-in, it gives you points. You can see it each day you come on this platform. Make sure you do this daily check-in. For me, I've done like daily check-in here. Now this daily check-in will give you a coupon code. These codes are I say coupon code, these are like points which you can actually use to make purchase, right? You can also just go through the platform, but let me just do another one else for you guys to see. Now this one here is a live product that I can actually purchase, right? And then if I want to purchase this is the resale value of this product that I want to purchase. So it's just like you are buying and selling right on this platform. So let me just purchase this right now. This costs 5,000 and this is the resale value. This is the profit that comes with this particular product. So let me just click on it. I want to just purchase one. You can see I don't have a coupon code. I don't have a coupon, right? So I'll just confirm 5,000. That's now because why I'm able to purchase this is because I already have funds in this account, right? Which I'm going to also show you guys how to do it. So I go to warehouse and then I open box. Let's see what I have here. I click on stop because I don't want to waste you guys time. Okay, this is it. So this is what I've gotten, right? So that means if I want to resell this, the profit I'm going to get out of what I purchased with 5,000 Naira is going to be 600, right? So let me just click on back to warehouse. Definitely I want to resell this. I tap on what? You can see the option here. Let me click on this ship so you guys can see. If I click on ship right now, I can just put my address and all of that if I want this item to be shipped to wherever I am, and then I get it. But I'm just here to do business, so I click on what? Resell. So I'm going to resell this, and then this is what I'm going to get in return. So I believe the platform took 1 or 2 charges there about, but 300 Naira on my 5,000 Naira purchase is a good profit. So I click on confirm. Now in the next 24 hours, I'm going to be getting back the 5,000 Naira I used in buying this, and then the 300 Naira that is my gain. So I have 2 items that are pending, right? So you can just do this over and over and over again, and then you make profit from it. So let me just show you guys this stuff here. Now for those who might not want to do this with any capital, you can just click here. If you click here on this free product, right, every day that you log in here, you will get this free product. You can see, right, this product that I claimed today for free and I'm able to resell, if you log in every day, you can do this and resell it. So you can see I've already claimed for today. So tomorrow in the next 24 hours, I can do this again and do it over and over again. This one is a free package, right? But if you don't want to go for free package, you just want to, okay, let me make do of my own funds, you can then choose any of this. So I've actually purchased this. I would like to let me try this one of 10k. So the purchase I'm doing, everything is in there, right? You can see, you can also read this. I've read through all this, so I don't want to just keep on reading it again. So I just want to purchase one. So I purchase this, I go to warehouse, I tap on open box. So in the next 24 hours, I'll be able to withdraw the profit that comes with this and also my capital. Hopefully I get something. Wow, this is what I got. So you can see it, right? So I go back to warehouse. I want to resell. Do I need this? Just for the sake of this video, let me resell. Okay, this is the profit I'm going to get. So all these are going to come to me in the next 24 hours. So these are my products that I've purchased in total. These are the value of the 3 products, and this is the profit that is going to come with it. So let me go to my profile. Now, if you come to your profile right here, you can see I'm able to do all this buying and selling because I've actually recharged my own account. So, but if you want to recharge your own account, all you just need to do is to come here to profile. Profile is the first icon at the bottom right of your screen. You click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, you're going to see how you can actually recharge. Just go through it, something basically simple for you to do, and then you click on recharge. Then for withdrawal, you need to come here, click on withdrawal. For withdrawal, you'll be the one to just set up your own account. You can make use of any online banking app or any banking app that you want to make use of, and then you withdraw. I've tried making withdrawal here, so let me even show you guys my own withdrawal history. You can see these are my withdrawal history right here. You can see it right here. My withdrawal came in within like 10 minutes. So I got my withdrawal within like 10 minutes. So that's just basically. I think I'll be making more videos. I think I need to make another video to show you guys this product that I purchased, right? I'll make another video, but just this is how you can go through this platform. Sorry if I've been blabbing too much, guys. So but this is just basically how it is and how you can actually make profits from this platform. But just a disclaimer, this is in no way a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor of any sort. Me just showing you guys stuff that I do online and how you can also do for yourself and then take advantage of it and make the most out of it. Remember, there is a free package here that costs you nothing to do to make do of any of this. You just rinse and repeat in the next 24 hours and then you are making the most out of it. So that's just it, guys. Like I said, I'll make another video to show you guys the success of all these products that I've purchased. Don't forget to do your daily check-in and don't forget to buy these products daily, ship to your home, or you sell it online. Thank you, guys.